Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We're outside doing a morning walkthrough in the garden, looking at the starts that we put out a couple weeks ago. Here are my mustards, and everything is coming along well. An extra collard and some Brussels sprouts. Two different types of radishes, and my Swiss chard. Everything is coming along well. So I think this morning what I'm going to do is to put some compost around the base of some of the plants and then water everything in. And I thought I would bring you along. Let's get started. So I have my bag of black cow, and I'm going to start here. I'm going to remove the straw from around the base of this broccoli plant. And then we're going to put compost around it. And then we're going to put the straw back. Same thing for this one. And this one. Okay, we're going to do that for all of them, and then we'll come back and water them in. So I decided to give my plants a spraying with a mixture of BT and Castile soap before I water them. So I have my pump sprayer, and we're going to go ahead and give them a quick spraying. Last night we had a pretty decent shower, so everything that was once sprayed was probably washed off during the rain, so I decided to go ahead and do it again. I want to get up underneath the leaves and around the base of the plant, the stem of the plant, so we don't have anything eating the plants and we don't have an infestation of white flies. If you remember in the previous video that I showed using the sprayer, the reason I use the Castille soap as opposed to Dawn is just personal preference. It has no scents or chemicals or anything like that in it. And it will help to have the flies and other insects, once it hits they will stick to the plant. and then the BT can do its job. Here at my black-eyed peas, I have what looks like some white fungus or something like that growing on them. So I'm probably just going to go ahead and do a final harvest on these and then remove the plants. So I went ahead and did a little harvesting off camera. We got some more cucumbers. We got some Marconi peppers, some okra, and the rest of the black-eyed peas that were ready off of the vines over there. So like I said, more than likely I'm going to remove those. I'm not sure if I'm going to plant anything else in that container, in that space or not, but we'll see. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this chore, putting down compost and watering it in. These are my sugar pumpkins. My next project that I will be planting, I'm letting them become adjusted to the sunlight. And these are my Big Daddy greasy collards. I'm going to be putting those out in the upcoming video as well. They're doing well. And I want to thank you for coming along. If you got something out of the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my video, take this moment to consider doing so. As you have seen, I can grow a lot of vegetables in this small space without help, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure that you leave me a comment, hit the notification bell, and you can share the video. That helps me out tremendously. If you're interested in a small space gardening group on Facebook, go ahead and head over to Facebook and look up Small Space Gardening. You'll meet like-minded individuals such as yourself that are interested in gardening, but are only limited by space. If you're interested in any of the seeds or equipment used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The links for both are in the description portion of the video. And until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, stay blessed. And don't forget to subscribe. It's free.